Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I made $21,274 just in one single month with Fiverr affiliate program using completely free traffic. If you have ever wanted to earn passive income without spending money on ads, this strategy is a game changer for you. First, I'll show you exactly what Fiverr services to promote for good commissions. Next, I'll break down my free traffic source that drive thousands of clicks every month. Then I'll reveal my conversion strategy, how I turn those clicks into commissions consistently, okay? By the end of the video, you will have a step-by-step blueprint to start earning with the Fiverr affiliate program. So let's get started. Make sure to watch this video until the end. So if you miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I made this commission in the last month and it's already paid, okay? I received this payment in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, and as you can see over here, payment amount $21,274 paid. Okay. Anyway, I have been doing this business for over 5 years. I'm doing affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and more. In this video, I'll share with you my new method, new strategy that you guys can use to promote your affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, so first, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one for you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's super easy and simple. You just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. It's super easy and simple. Go to company and just click here on affiliates, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and you guys can check this website to get more ideas. So to create your Fiverr affiliate account, you just need to click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, okay? And choose your country from here. Guys, for country, you can start this business from any country. Your location, it doesn't matter. You can start this business from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, any country, okay? Just search for your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate program. What you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting that people will be interested to buy. You cannot promote any services randomly that you like or that you think it's gonna work. No, you need to promote services that people are already searching for. And to get free traffic, what we will use is we will use YouTube, okay? YouTube is the best traffic source for me. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube, okay? If you do it correctly, if you follow those steps that I'm sharing with you, you can get so much traffic from YouTube. Open your YouTube homepage like this. Even you should know that YouTube has like 29 billion monthly visitors. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And people are using YouTube and Google to search for services, products, topics, and more. Okay? So what we will do to find those services that people are searching for is we will use YouTube search bar. Okay? I will click here on the search and I will ask question. For example, let's say for example, how to grow. Okay, you just need to ask question how to grow for example Instagram, and here you go. You see how to grow Instagram, and here you go. Guys, do you see? You just need to put here questions, okay, and just some keyword, how to grow, how to make, how to do, how to edit, and YouTube will give you report search prediction. YouTube will give you topics that people are searching for, okay. You see here people search for how to grow Instagram account, how to grow Instagram business account, how to grow Instagram theme page, okay. So those people who search for this topic, they will be interested to buy. If you go back to Fiverr, they will be interested to buy Instagram promotion. They will be interested to buy this service to grow their Instagram accounts organically and get real followers. This is exactly what those sellers here on Fiverr provide. They provide this service, Instagram promotion. Those sellers has experience and they know exactly how to grow an Instagram business page or personal page to get more followers and more engagement, okay. So what you will do is you need to choose good sellers. So how we can choose good sellers? Always choose sellers like top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, or pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you, okay. If we scroll down, let me choose one of those sellers, for example like this one. You guys can see this one. This one is pro seller, which is really good, okay. I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this, and here you go. You guys can see you will be directly in this seller profile page. This is the proof. I'm sharing with you everything. You see here, we are not playing here. You guys can see this 164 order in queue. Okay, you see how many orders in queue? Okay, do you see how many people already paying for this service? Over 4,000 people paid for this service. People keep coming back. So this service is about growing Instagram account. So which people will be interested to buy this service? Of course, those people here, this audience who search for how to grow Instagram account. Your audience is already here on YouTube. People, you have the people who you have audience who will be interested to buy this service from you on YouTube. They are already searching for how to grow Instagram account, okay? You just need to let's go back. You just need to promote this service on YouTube good and do it correctly so people can start buying this service from your affiliate link and you can earn commissions, okay. So what you will do next, for you, go back to this seller profile page and copy this seller profile link, okay, like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let's go back here, okay, and click on your dashboard like this. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So what you will do, you will go to YouTube and you will open YouTube channel, okay. After that, you will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video. Let's check his video. He is talking about his service and he is talking about how he can help people grow their Instagram accounts organically, get good and real followers, okay, and grow engagements and grow their businesses on Pinterest. And if you see here, people keep coming back, meaning that people are satisfied and they are getting good results, okay. So, and you should know also that this service is evergreen service, meaning that people will keep buying this service again and again. For you, it's good because it's profitable. If people will keep buying again and again, you will keep making commissions from every transaction those people will do on Fiverr, okay? Which is really good. So what you will do next, double click on the video, okay? I'll show you guys two ways that you can use to promote this service on YouTube. So the first way, you guys can double click on this video and you can save this video. You can download this video to your laptop, okay. I'm gonna name the video, for example, Instagram. Click on save, okay. Okay, I already have this video. So just you can name the video. I'm gonna name it, for example, Instagram, like this, and just click on save, and this video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva, okay, like this, and click here on, this will be your home page, it's for free. Click here on video and click here on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you will click here on upload, just click on upload and click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. I already have the video here. I'll show you guys. This is my video, and click on your video and your video will be over here. You see this? Click on this 3 points and scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click here on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just make sure to use good text that looks clear and good, and decrease the font size of this text and put this text here. Double click and write this sentence. For example, I'm gonna write here, check link in my description, okay? Or you can also put your link in the first comments, your affiliate link, okay? And here you go. I will make it small like this. And what I will do next, I will click here on elements. It doesn't look clear, so I will use this one. Let me show you. Go over here to ship. I'm gonna use this one here, and I will click on color. So I will choose black color to make it looks clear. Okay, now it's good. Okay, and here you go. We have good title now here. So let's check the video. Okay, so you see check link in my description. So people who search for how to grow Instagram accounts, when they will watch this video, they will see this check link in my description. If they are interested to grow their Instagram accounts, people who will be interested to buy a service that will help them grow their Instagram accounts, they will check your YouTube description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. You can click here on share and click on download, and the video will be downloaded into your laptop. Go back to YouTube, open a YouTube channel, use this title, how to grow Instagram account, okay? How to grow Instagram from 0 followers. You can use those titles, okay? Try different titles, see which title is working good for your videos, then double what's working and avoid what's not working, okay? Upload the video, go back to your YouTube, to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I still have this option. My account is old account, okay? That's why I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. It's almost the same, just copy your affiliate link from here, like this. Go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Of course, use this title in your YouTube description. If you are looking for how to grow your Instagram account, check link below, put your affiliate link there, okay? That's how we can promote affiliate links using free traffic. Use YouTube search bar, see what people searching for, which topics people search for, and go to Fiverr, search for services related to those topics and start promoting those services. And of course, you guys need to upload this video as Creative Commons, so we will not get any copyright issue with YouTube, okay? And this is the first way. The second way, guys, that you can use is you can go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you. And you will click here on his picture, okay, like this. And you will record a slideshow video. Turn your screen recording on and start clicking here and show this, okay? Record this result of people who already paid for this service, okay? Like this. You see this? People are satisfied, 5 star. You see this? They are living fine, great as always. And you will record slideshow video like this, showing the results of people who already paid for this service. Each one is getting different results. Some people got 9,000, like this one got almost 10,000 followers, okay? Niche, this is his niche, entrepreneur, okay? And you will record this slideshow video, okay? And like this, your video will be your own video, and no one will talk about you or will reach out to you or say no, you cannot upload this, it's my video. You will not get any problems with YouTube or with any sellers on Fiverr. You can use slideshow video, record slideshow video showing the results of those people who already paid for the service, and that's it. This video can help you. Okay, if you can add a voiceover to this video, you will be really good. Okay, you guys can see, record this. Okay, and you have a lot of sellers. You don't need to promote just one service. Okay, go back here, you have a lot of sellers. Okay, you have also this one, our agency will effectively, you have this one, you can use those. Okay, you see this, you have a lot of sellers. Okay, you can also, you can go, you cannot promote just one service. You guys, let me show you how to hire video. Here you go, you see, I asked just this, how to hire video. You see, people search for how to hire video editor, how to hire video editor for YouTube, how to hire video editor on Fiverr. People also search for how to hire video editor on Fiverr. Go to Fiverr, search for video editing, and you have this service. Talk about this service, make the same method that I shared with you. You can make so much commissions, okay, with free traffic. Do you see how many people here provide video editing service? Choose good sellers like I explained to you before, and you will be good. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing. And by the way, guys, for people who are interested and you want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you personally to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing, with free traffic from different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. You will get access to all my secrets, my services, and more. And you will get also access to my team and I. So we will follow up with you if you didn't answer, if you didn't understand something, or you have any more questions. You will always get access to my team and I to help you. Okay, that's it. You want to see more videos, free content like this, just comment affiliate marketing and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. You guys can find my email address in my YouTube description, so you can reach out to me from there.